So this is the overpass in Talamban. Right across the school. So that's the father of the man that we just interviewed, Herman. So his father's checking him. So they're both ice cream sellers. So this is the overpass here in Talamban. As you can see, there's a lot of peddlers, even manicure pedicures here.
Wala makira po.
Fruit vendors, school supply vendors, all sorts. They are already getting this from carbon market, so you have to expect the price will be higher than the carbon market prices. This is mid-afternoon and people are just back to work and back to school. It's now 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's not so traffic yet. I'm here in Talamban area because I'll be meeting a subscriber, and so while waiting I'll just sort some of my businesses, and then now I'm free for an hour before I meet him, so I might just as well do a walkabout here in Talamban. This is the crossing. We're near the police station. You can see there's a police sign there. That's the Talamban Gym, Barangay Talamban Sports Center. And next is the Talamban Elementary School, but the police station, that is when you have to turn right towards Pitos and other parts of Talamban. When you go straight, that will be Tintay. Go to the overpass connecting to Kanduman, Mandaue. So you can see the jeepneys, Talamban 13C. And right across is Joel's Lechong Manok. That's really intriguing because there's a lot of competition, but this is the most popular roasted chicken here that you will see when they open, that people are queuing up. Ang utana ko gaha. Nagpila ni inanay nga bike pang bata. Then let's go further as I'm walking back to Grand Mall because that's where we agreed to meet. There's Photo Jaya where you get all the t-shirt printed mugs and everything, like cards. Tarpaulin is now 12 pesos per square foot. What you will notice as you walk along this kind of streets, with us main streets here in Cebu, is vendors on the side of the roads. Like that old woman there, she just find a corner to sell her items. Aray. I can't stop because I had to meet my appointment, so I'll just come back there. But what I'm trying to show you are the different enterprise that we have here in Talamban, and the eateries selling food and also providing a space for you to dine in on the roadside, and of course the habal-habal drivers This is another popular roast chicken is the andoks. We also have banks. Here. And I'm on the way to Grand Mall. There's a fruit vendor. Pagpila te? 20 ang gis?
Oh.
Ano may gis ni? 20 ni?
Oh, 20 na.
Oh. Unyara. It's 20 pesos per pack. It's so small. It's only 6 pieces each. So might as well buy the whole pineapple. We have boutiques opening. Different shops. Couriers. Paminawa ang cooperative offices, banks. So here in Talamban, we only have 2 malls so far. We have the Gaisano Grand Mall and the Times Square, where 2 major supermarkets are there. The Robinson Supermarket. And we got a few banks around, like about 6 banks around here in Talamban area. And of course, what Talamban is famous for are high-end subdivisions like Frebeya Hills, Pristina North, and the Cebu International School are all here in Talamban, Cebu City. Because we are like famous for mountainous barangays, because we're the north of Cebu City, so we're nearer to the mountain barangays. So that's Sunny Hills subdivisions there. And now I'm nearer to the Grand Mall. So you look down, that's the pathway that we have. But if it's gonna be filled with vendors, you will be forced to go on the street. But the pathways are not even fixed. But that's another one that the mayor is trying to fix. So that's the Gaisano Ban. So we will cross over now.